What do you plan on doing after your successful makeup career? I want to have a clothing line and I want to have a beauty brand. I want to make really cool makeup bags and lipsticks and eyelashes.
Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here to review the new Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade collection. With affiliate codes, you send your support to your favorite beauty group, but this is directly, I want to support your company, I want to support your hustle. When she released the latte palette, I was super excited. Y'all know me, I don't use eyeshadow at all. It's just something for me to have, it's nice to have on my vanity. I mean, I do use the foil colors of the latte palette as an inner corner highlight or just a highlight in general, but I do not touch those those other colors, you know? But yeah, we are gonna go all out today with this video. We're gonna do an unboxing, swatches, we're gonna follow a beauty guru's makeup tutorial, and I bought the whole collection. No, this was not sent to me. Check that subscriber number, y'all. I am not sponsored by anybody. I bought this with my own hard-earned money, and I say hard-earned because working is such a bust. Ooh, girl. I do have the latte palette, so we're gonna just, compare, see what's up, and it's gonna be all good. So let's hop into this unboxing and see what. Alright, so let's open this box. Oh girl, what do we got in there? So we have our 4 lip glosses. Let me just show you one of them. Let's do the beauty guru thing, the hands. So there's the packaging for the lip glosses. It's a nice pink, yellow, pastel-y kind of mesh. The rims are gold. So I have all 4 colors. So I have all 4 of these lip glosses. We're gonna do swatches of those in a hot minute. But we also have this, I think the real prize of this collection, the Lemonade palette. Here it is. I think in her video, they wanted to make the foil kind of feel like a lemon. I mean, it doesn't feel exactly like a lemon, but I see what they mean. There is texture on the outside of this, so it's nice. You get this nice gold. In the back, you get the full description of everything. And then today I'm filming in front of my window, so there's direct light. I don't have no fancy studio, so we gonna see what these colors really look like if you wear it out in the day. It's gonna be real raw. Ooh. Here we go. The Lemonade palette. Same kind of design as the lip glosses. Oh, yes. These are so cute. Just side note, I remember when I told my friends I bought this, oh my god, why? I'm just dude, the colors are cute. Yeah, am I gonna wear these? Probably not, because I don't wear eyeshadow, but these are so cute. I lived when she released the cucumber shade. I love me a mint. Look at those reflex. We are living. So let's go ahead and hop in to these swatches. No. Let's first compare it to the latte palette. You want to check this out? Check these 2 foils at the bottom. You can see they've been touched here and there, but look at everything else. These are not loved. I mean, I wish I could, I really wish I could, but I don't wear eyeshadow. Which brings the question, why do you buy it? Because I gotta support my girl, okay? Oh my god, I can't even hold these. Here's both palettes for you guys. I think everything looks the same. So they both have 10 shades. The pans look the same size. Can we double check? They are not the same. Ooh, so the latte palette, each pan is 1.8 grams, but for the lemonade palette, it's 1.4 grams. Ooh, changing it up there. I see you, girl. Let's get into some of these swatches. I ain't no fancy beauty guru, so I don't know how I'm gonna swatch these. Alright, let's just go. I'm thinking, do all the mattes first, and then do all the shimmers. Should I swatch with brushes or my finger? Let's go finger, because I like to get real messy. Let's start with Nude Tea. Oh, it's there. I don't know if y'all can see. It's there. Mango. A nice yellow color. Ooh, we see pigment right under Nude Tea. Next up, we have Sweet Tea. I love me some sweet tea. We are going places. Chai Tea. Alright, so we have your 4 mattes done. Straight in with lemon soda. Oh, it feels great. Oh. Oh my. Yes. Pink lemonade. Oh, this feels great too. You're probably wondering, what does it feel like? I don't know. Smooth, but it's nice. Oh my god. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. The reflect on pink lemonade is so nice. It's this pearl kind of gold color. Whoa. Peach. Next we have cucumber. This is the one I'm looking most forward to. Pinkies up, kids. Cucumber on there. Oh, yes. Moving on to strawberry. cute little pink color, Blueberry Fizz. Oh, damn! Blueberry Fizz is not playing around. So here's the full swatches right there. Everything looks super great. Blueberry Fizz and Cucumber, I'm living for those. These are beautiful. Formula-wise, super like buttery and creamy. Swatches and just aesthetic-wise, so pretty. A+ for this. Let's move on to the lip glosses. So we have 4 lip gloss colors. Pink Lemonade. So we have the Dominique's Cosmetics logo, and then we have this cute tube that says Lemonade. I like the end of it, how it's not like just like a regular like tube, like the end of it's really like pointed with the product. I think it's really cute. You know what? I'm gonna swatch it in my hand. At the end of the tutorial, I'll swatch it on my lip. So Pink Lemonade right now on my hands. Flat applicator. Bless, no more of those doe foots. Pink Lemonade. Next we have Peach Tea. Love that sound. We have Sweet Tea. Ooh, we have McDonald's. Oh, that is a cute color. Lastly, we have the Strawberry Lemonade. There is all 4 lip glosses. And no one tells you this, but lip gloss on your hand feels weird. I feel like I'm in 2nd grade. There's like glue on my hand. Swatches are good to go. Let's hop into this tutorial. So right now she has 2 videos up right now with the Lemonade palette, and I think I'm gonna do the one where it's like soft, glowy summer look. Alright, so I already have my foundation on. Maybelline Fit Me foundation, matte and poreless, don't sleep on it. We didn't put any concealer on yet because we're gonna set it with Nude Tea. So we're just gonna start the tutorial from where she starts the eyeshadow.
Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Quad family. And without further ado, let's get into this video. A PR package right here that I sent to myself. Can we just take a moment to look at the inside of this? Look how gorgeous that is.
No, I know those were the PR packages, but I mean, it's just the box with everything in it. So I thought when I ordered the full collection, I'd get that box too, but no, I just got a brown cardboard box. Come on, Kristen.
The first color I'm going to pick up is Nude Tea. I'm going to take it on this huge fluffy brush right here from MAC. It's a 240S brush. You see how it's really shiny because I just put foundation there? So I'm just going to mattify the entire eye on both sides.
So I did just open the palette, and I will say there is some fallout because just check out the mirror. It's like, girl, it is dirty. But I mean, all eyeshadow is to some extent. It is okay. And then, if I haven't said it already, I do not use eyeshadow like at all. Like if I ever have, someone's done it for me, or I just look like a mess when I did it. Like I'm pretty sure these girls in middle school nowadays blend better than I can, you know. So, you know, can someone that doesn't use eyeshadow really use this palette to its full extent, and can someone with no beauty skills follow a tutorial?
Take Sweet Tea, which is this vibrant orange right here. You want to be careful on how much you pick up of this shade because it is very, very vibrant. I'm just going to wash it into the crease, and just doing these back and forth motions and some circle motions. Use whatever motion you feel is right. I'm going to angle this upwards so that it lifts our eye. Is right for blending your eyeshadows out. And I'm going to angle this upwards so that...
I will say in her video with her, you know, with her beauty lights, the color kind of looks reddish orange, but in real life it is very just orange. I don't know if I'm doing this right.
We washed the first layer of Sweet Tea on, and now we're going to go back in with the second layer, but we are going to work this precisely in the crease.
The crease? Wherever that is. Am I beauty guru yet? I don't know. I feel like one of the reasons I like Kristen, and like if you guys know I like my love for Desi Perkins, I feel like because they were both Ipsy stylists, and I feel like because of that, the way they make videos is super refined and professional, and I personally really like those kind of videos, you know? I'm not gonna call it the ones I don't like, but it's kind of like with some other beauty gurus, like their videos, like they just don't appeal to me more just because of, you know, their style. Like it's not for me. But I feel like Kristen, Katie, Desi, they're really more, it's a lot more, like I said, refined and just professional, you know? Alright, so I think we're good with those first 2 steps. Oh my god, I look like American Horror Story Freak Show.
To chai tea. I'm gonna work that in a V right on the outer corners of the eye.
I have a lot of flat concealer brushes. I don't know why, but I don't have many eyeshadow brushes, so I don't know how this is gonna work. So we have chai tea, and we're gonna put that in the outer V. Interesting.
And then for the brow bone, I'm going to take nude tea so we can carve out the brow and just kind of blend out this sweet tea shade a little further down.
So I don't know if I'm going really heavy-handed with these shadows or not, but there is some fallout if you look at like the sweet tea and chai tea flavor. This nude tea color really is not cutting it right now. I don't know if it's even showing up. I'm going to put a little bit more on to see if something picks up.
Use peach. This is one of those everyday colors that you can use all the time. I'm actually going to take that same peach and I'm going to bring it in all the way to the inner corner. I'm going to take it on the lower part of the tear duct.
Oh, okay. This is beautiful. Just in the inner corner there. I will say each color is coming out very pigmented very well.
I'm going to take sweet tea and I'm going to bring it all the way down to the lower lash line.
Oh. Alright, so here's a rundown with me. So I do like foundation, highlight, and then lip gloss. That's literally what I wear like every day. So I'm just gonna skip these next parts because I don't want to blind you guys with how ugly it's gonna turn out. So we're not gonna do the eyeliner, the mascara, or the lashes. So the look's gonna be different, but the eyeshadow stuff should be the same. So we're just gonna fast forward a little.
You use shade 5 from the KKW concealer range. We're just gonna go right underneath. I've been going this way lately, creating like this little tabletop on the center of the nose and crooked. It's okay. We're ready for war.
I don't have KKW because I'm poor, but I'm using the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion one in 3W. Honestly, me and Kristen could be twins right now. So we're gonna set it with nude
Right
tea.
here. You guys, it is always super important for me to have something for my under eyes so far in these two palettes, just because I don't like setting my entire face.
I'm just gonna skip bronzing too, just because I don't wear bronzer either.
Peach, like so. We're gonna highlight with it for the first time ever. I just feel like this would be a really pretty highlight, and it is.
Can we highlight with this palette though? We are going to find out. We're doing the Morphe M510. Okay. Okay, it is definitely pulling through as a highlight.
I'm gonna show you a
Look.
swatch of the bridge, and they smell like vanilla cupcakes. This will help me really figure out which is a really nice.
Those swatches are
pink.
intense,
This reminds me of
girl.
Baby Spice.
That's when you know, like,
Baby Spice
falling on a
vibes.
budget
For this
swatches
look,
and like
I think
real
I'm gonna do
swatches.
Peach tea. I kind of just want to use it on my natural lip.
So in this tutorial, so the final look will be with peach tea. So right now I'm gonna swatch the other 3 colors for you guys right now, just so you guys know what it looks like on the lips. So we're gonna use peach tea last because that's the final look. So the first swatch is sweet tea. So we have sweet tea on the lips. Next on the lips, we're gonna try pink lemonade. It's the lighter of the 2 pink colors. Here's pink lemonade. And now we're gonna try the strawberry one. And then we have the strawberry lemonade color. Oh my god, zoomed in, I look crazy. Look at these janky eyeshadow blends. I'm sorry. Let's finish off with peach tea on the lips. Peach tea on the lips.
I had little rough patches on my lips. It's gone completely. All your rough edges on your lips are gone. Believe me, try it out. And this softness that you immediately feel when you put the gloss on your lips is going to last. That is our completed look.
There is her completed look. Do we look the same? Oh, twins. So, final thoughts on the collection. I like all the glosses. My favorites, surprisingly, are the sweet tea one, which is like the kind of nude colored one. And then I really like the pink lemonade, which is the lighter of the 2 pinks. Eyeshadow palette, let me just show y'all the the final result. So like I said earlier, I don't know if I was going in really heavy-handed, but there is some fallout. Give or take what you will from that. Ultimately, I really like the collection. Everything's really aesthetically pleasing. Is this beginner friendly? I'd say so. The pigment comes out easily, so I feel like if you know what you're doing, it can work for you. I just personally don't know what the hell is going on right now, so the look didn't come out amazing. But if you know what you're doing, like if you can blend eyeshadows really well, then this palette's really great. The highlight is actually really growing on me. Like there is that slight orange cast, but like the glow it's giving right now, I can live with it. It looks really nice. So yeah, I'm just really happy for Christen. Like I remember like the Latte palette came out yesterday, and here we are with 2 palettes already. So she's getting her work done. She's really going for it, which I really admire. Overall, I like the collection. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe and join the quad family. Just kidding, I'm part of the quad family. You know, you guys want to join my family, then you know, go for it. Hit that subscribe button. What else do I have to say? Christen, you're doing amazing, sweetie. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Oh my god, I am filming. Don't be rude.
So.
Yeah. Ooh, girl, yes. Power of makeup who?